Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. It's wet, nasty, rainy Saturday. Kind of wet. Everything's piled in the shop here to stay out of the rain, so not a whole lot to do around here today. Had a couple Ford trucks we're going to work on, but they're outside in the rain, so just going to give you a quick walk around, show you what's up. Got the little Tacoma in here, got the bedside worked, got it in prime. It's ready for prep and paint. F350, got it prepped, ready to roll in the paint booth and tape it off and get it sprayed. Kind of hard to get that whole thing in here. Hopefully we can get it in the booth, get it taped up, spray it the first week. Drake's got the Maverick in here in the dry. Had some spots on the fender we didn't like on the Mustang, so we got it painted, or got it stripped, got it in prime. Now we're ready to prep it, get it painted, hopefully next week. Mach 1 hood, it got worked, primed, got some, what do you call it? Guide coat on it, get it ready to block down. F100 there in the corner that you hadn't seen in a while. We have got our transmission for our Coyote and our Coyote and a truck out back. Hopefully pretty soon we can get them in here and get them set down in there and get the body work on the cab. The other F100 started the body work on the roof, and I'm here to tell you talking about one roof that's seen years of probably hail damage and no telling what all, and beat up anyway. Here's Alan in here in the rain. Done got his hair wet, slicked back. Got guide coat on the bedside to get it blocked down. Hood on the 48 is worked. Got the Bolero in here. I think it's just needing sanding and buffing. It's kind of wet outside, but we'll show a little bit. Yeah, this rain gonna make a messy day today. Pull the back glass out of.
That little red Toyota.
Oh, Toyota.
One of these.
You say, now you found it. Mm-hmm. Anything you think of, Dad?
What the?
You know what you sent out last week? I can't even.
Yeah, I sent out 2 mud trucks. He goes in the news yard.
Oh, cutting a donut too, basically, instead of.
I sent out 2 mud trucks, a Impala, an Altima.
Got the Mazda there waiting on front end parts for. Ain't
they finally came yesterday.
Parts came in yesterday for that. Of course, it's out here in the rain. We did get the airbag module out of the Nissan and the Honda sent off, I believe. Got another new F-150 in over here. It's a hot commodity. Plan is take the front end off of it. Yeah, it's been a hot one. Plan is take a front end off of it and put it on a black one we got out there. And we got started on it, and then the way everything goes, and this rainy day ain't gonna help today. Colorado's in the paint booth painted, ain't it?
It's ready to go Monday.
So it should be ready to go. Dodge truck sitting out there ready to go. A couple more trucks out there to work on. There's plenty of work to do still, ain't there? Just days like this makes it hard to do anything.
Got the Nissan out there, ordered parts for.
Parts for the Nissan. Was working on the running of the little Dodge there, wasn't you?
What Dodge?
The little silver Dodge.
Oh, that's the one I'm supposed to buy. Supposed to buy it.
Don't say that on camera. It's a Dodge.
I know it's
You don't want proof of that you bought a Dodge.
But yeah, and it does have a mess. They told me it ran good, but it don't run so good.
Well, you know, some people's running good, Larry, and other people's running good. If you're watching this, leave us a comment on that, Larry.
Shout out to Uncle Jesse.
Shout out to Uncle Jesse.
He
Yep.
watches our videos.
Yep, sitting there.
They're in that nursing home.
Shout out to him. Make sure you start this one for him, Jan. Watch him yourself, Jan. But anyway, that's what we got going on. Rainy Saturday, 256 garage out.